can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this beautiful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ashi. I'm from New Delhi. I'm 11 years old. My school name is Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Najafgarh. My father's name is Mr. Sandeep Singh. My mother's name is Mrs. Raksha Devi. My father is a LPA in a Reliance company. My mother is a housemaker. My hobbies are playing Ludo and watching phone. I want to become a doctor. Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you.
Okay, so the next question I ask to you, what are you learning in this online class and how do you like this online class?
I am learning in this online class first the introduction, how to give the introduction. After that, I am learning this vowel sound like E, I, and O. And after that, I am learning the WH questions and her meaning. And I like this online class very much.
Okay, what do you think about this online class? Will this help you to learn English language? And what changes has taken place in your life after learning English in this online class?
This online class, I'm liking this online class because one thing I'm not study in the school, which I'm studying in this online class, like the vowel sound of A, O, and some more words. And in my school, I don't know that how to give the introduction, and I'm also learning that how to give the introduction and how to ask questions and WH words, and also reading.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. सो जो चीजें स्कूल में नहीं सिखाई जा रही हैं उससे हटके जो है ऑनलाइन क्लास में सीखने के लिए मिल रहा है. जैसे कि शुरू से इंग्लिश कैसे सीखते हैं, हाउ टू लर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग, लाइक वोवल साउंड्स क्यों सीखने हैं. जब कोई भी इंग्लिश वर्ड हम पढ़ते हैं उसमें साउंड्स को जोड़ना आना चाहिए, वोवल एंड कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स, and then we need to pronounce that word correctly. और डब्ल्यूएच क्वेश्चन स्कूल में सिखाने का मतलब नहीं बनता है ग्रामर ही सिखाते हैं, डब्ल्यूएच का कोई ज़्यादा रोल नहीं है. और सिक्स सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस स्कूल में किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है देने का, सिक्स सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस क्यों करनी है. और कन्वर्सेशन स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस जैसे ऑनलाइन क्लास में हो रही है, एंड देर इज नो पॉसिबल या देर इज नो टाइम in school to do like this activity.
Okay, sir. I like this online class very much because first of all you taught us, and after that there is also a ma'am who is from Turkey. That's why I'm
Mhm.
like this online class, and you taught us the grammar about grammar, and the Turkish ma'am is conversation to us to how to pronounce the American words.
Very good, very good. So tell me your activities of the day. What do you do morning till evening? Speak it in English language.
Okay, sir. First, I wake up at six o'clock, and after that, I'm taking the breakfast, and after that, I'm going to my school, and when after that, I'm come from my school and changing my dress and eating the lunch. After that, I'm study, do my homework of my school and the English, Divya English Academy homework also.
Divya English speaking homework also. Is it important? Divya English Academy homework.
Yes, sir. Because
Why this is important?
because I don't do the practice, so how can I speak English?
Okay, what do your ने बोला कि कुछ चेंज है आशी, अभी तो आप बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट आ गया है, अच्छे से बोल भी रहे. People have
Yes,
watched your videos.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
I
What do your
there
friends say you?
There is a friend. So my friend say, Ashi, this is you. I'm say yes. So she say, I, I don't believe that this is you. She is you.
Oh, people say that Ashi, we don't believe that this is you in this online class and speaking the English like this. Very good. How do you feel at that moment?
So I'm feeling very good.
Okay, you are feeling very good. What do your parents say about you, about your online classes? They also, I think, never imagined in their life that our online class really works something like this. What do
Yes,
your
sir.
parents say? What does your father say to you about your online classes?
My father say this is very good for your English speaking because my father wants to also that I'm speaking English.
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
Very good. So Divya English Academy is helping the lot of girls, babies, and to learn English language. There is one saying that we have mentioned in our YouTube channel also that is called Save Girl and Educate Girl. So that's why we want to teach English to the all students, especially the girl child, to learn English language very perfectly and become a good English speaker. So in future they can stand on their feet, they can get good job, they can have lot of opportunities in various fields to do anything they wish to do.